Hello everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to manually unlock the door and also how to manually open up the front hood slash trunk. It's a front trunk. Now this is a McLaren MP4-12C and it's a 2012 model. It could vary between years, but I just want to let you know it's a 2012. If you have the actual key fob, what you're going to do is you're going to press this button and you're going to take the key out. But you need to make sure that the car went into dead battery mode, and what it does is it lowers the car window down. It might even lower it a little more down in this, but I use this as an example. If you try to open the door with the window all the way up into position, it's gonna break. All right, on the driver's side, if you look at these vents, on the big vent, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna look at this area right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and put our hand, and you're gonna feel a little notch with your finger, and you're just gonna start pulling down gently. This part right here is not coming off. I'm not sure if this is stuck on here or if it's just supposed to swing down a little bit. But this is as far as I could go with it, and I had to kind of flex it to move it down. And I don't like it because it's putting a lot of force on the grill, but I cannot get this part off. But I wanted to show you guys, this is where the key goes inside here. You put the key in, and then you turn it so you can open the door. If you have to, you could wiggle the door a little bit, but that's pretty much the extent of it. And now I'm gonna put this thing back. To manually open the front hood, you see this little button right here, guys? You grab it and you pull it and it'll open up the front hood. All right, to get the trunk open, as you can see, we took off our wheel. And the reason why is I wanted to explain something to you guys real quickly. All right, on this area right here, we had 3 of these little tiny bolts. They're very small little bolts right here. And we removed those. And then what I was able to do is snake my hand up here, and right here where this line comes with the door and the fender, I align kind of like where my thumb is at, and you could actually feel the wire. Now technically you could pull on that and it's really going to be really hard to get it open. If you needed to, you could unhook it from its little plastic part and pull with the tool, and you can get it open like that, but that should be your last resort. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, if it helped you into buying, go ahead and send us a little thank you. There's a thank you button there. Buy us a cup of coffee. All right, guys, thank you for watching. You take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.